To set up a VPN on Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 8, you can, for example, open the settings on your phone. And then over here, we should be able to go to connections. And then here, go to more connection settings. As you can see here, now we have the VPN option. And this is where you can, for example, create your own profile. Now, if you have all the details and all the information necessary to create the profile, then you can fill everything in. And then, of course, save the profile, and then you can use it to connect to the VPN server. However, most of the time, it is just better to use a VPN app instead. So what you can do, instead of going to the settings, you can go to the Play Store, and then you can go ahead and tap on search, and then use the search field at the top to search for a VPN. And you will find a bunch of different VPN apps, and of course, you can just try any of them. However, I would recommend you trying them one by one, so if you don't have any favorite one, or if you are not sure which one you might want to use, just install one of them. Give it a try. If you don't like it, uninstall it and get the other one. Try to not use multiple VPN apps at once. And in my case, I'm just gonna use this one over here. I'm gonna install this app, and I'm gonna show you how to set it up, which is usually very, very straightforward and very intuitive. And feel free, like I said, feel free to try any app. This is not sponsored or anything like that. This is just an example. So of course, we're gonna give it a try with this one over here. So once it is downloaded, we want to open the app. Now, in this specific case, we don't have to create an account to be able to use the VPN, which is, of course, very convenient. If you want to, you can, of course, sign in, and there is also the premium option, so usually you can pay for premium to get even more features. However, in many cases, these apps also allow you to use the app for free, with limited features, of course, but still for free. So I'm just going to continue as a guest here. There we go. Here we have the premium offer. You can just easily close it by just tapping on Not Now. And then you should be able to connect to a VPN server. Now, in this specific case, since I am a free user, I can connect only to a random free server. I cannot really choose the country that I want to connect to. So this is, of course, a downside of many free VPN apps. And most of the time, this is a paid feature if you want to choose a specific country. But maybe you will be able to find a VPN app that allows you to choose a specific country for free. So, of course, that's why I'm repeating that, you should give a try for many different apps. Now, besides that, of course, it is also worth checking out some settings in case you want to make sure that everything runs exactly as you want it to run. But if you just care about having the VPN at a given moment, then just turn it on, install it, turn on the VPN, connect to a server, and that's all you have to do. Leave a like and subscribe.